Another day, another budol. Hi everyone, so for today's video is mag-unbox tayo ng na-purchase natin sa Puma. So without further ado, unbox natin guys. Anyway, share ko lang. Our outfit for today is this garage from Cotton On. I'm wearing tawag dito, Fear God na NBA. Ayan guys. And then my sleeper na Birkin. Anyway, too much na sinasabi. Ayan, from Puma. So, I ordered this Ferrari Suede P. Ayan. So, unbox na natin. Ayan. So, inside this box is ang shoes na red. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya guys. Nakalagay Ferrari. Bagay siya sa outfit ko today. Ayan. Diba? Super cool. Super nice. Very, very nice shoes. Yung shoelace niya, the best. Ayan. Ferrari. One of the best shoes I purchased. Okay. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.